So who takes accountability for data breaches? So Hansi, I think I'm gonna pass this on to you. I'm going to just intro it. So accountability under PAPAYA always rests with the responsible party. So if you are a responsible party, in other words, you are delivering services to your customer, regardless of whether you are delivering those services yourself or you have engaged with a supplier who is processing that personal information on your behalf, you cannot pass that accountability as a responsible party. So what that means is that if there is a breach that comes in, the responsible party, in other words, your organization that's delivering the service, remain accountable to contain it, to remediate it, to report it to the regulator. Hansi, from a PAPAYA perspective, is there anything you want to add to that?
Thank you, Shane. So you're 100% correct. Responsible party remains accountable. In the UK, we had a very interesting case in the Morrison supermarket matter. There, we had a disgruntled employee that left the company. He worked for Morrison Supermarkets and he wasn't happy, and he took with him some information, personal information, and that leaked. And there was an outcry, obviously, of the data subjects that were affected by it. And in the end, the courts decided that vicarious liability did not apply. The company did not have control over this employee. He acted intentionally and unlawfully on his own account because the company did take the necessary steps to ensure that the personal information was secure. So going forward in South Africa, as we proceed into this new phase of personal information, we're obviously going to see a lot of court decisions going forward with data breaches. And I think as we go along, precedents will be set on how it will be treated going forward. But the basic rule applies, the responsible party remains accountable. And that is why it is so important having this discussion to emphasize the importance of the security of the information going forward.